Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation, and I am using the shade in beige. And it is coming out, I believe it's available in stores August 20th, and you can actually order it today. It's August 16th online. I believe the platinum members had like early access to it, so I was able to actually receive it before. So let's just go see how this foundation works. So I will be applying the foundation with my beauty blender, and beforehand I'm going to go ahead and use the Smashbox primer in this. So I'm going to use about this amount. So I will be applying this foundation with my beauty blender. See if it focuses on it. And it is the shade beige. So I'm going to go ahead and take some on my beauty blender, probably about like this amount, and just start working it up. And it does, I think it might be a little bit too dark, the color, but I can always try using concealer to kind of lighten up the shade. So far it is going on really nicely. It doesn't seem like it's a full coverage foundation yet. Maybe once we go back in, let's see how this, it is blending really well. I'm going to go ahead and just take one more pump for the other side. And I have a lot of breakouts right now, so like we'll see how well of a full coverage foundation is. It does say it's a 24-hour wear foundation. I most likely won't be using it for that long, but maybe like if you want to if you're gonna go out all night and you want like a super full coverage long wearing foundation, this would work probably, if it actually holds up to the 24 hours. So I'm gonna probably go back in. I'm going to use one more pump, or probably two more pumps, to build up the coverage. It is, I can see it being full coverage. Hey guys, so I went ahead and did the rest of my makeup, and so I really do like how it came out. The only problem that I did see is around my nose. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in. It does look like it might get like cakey, like it looks kind of cakey-ish around my nose, and like it looks like it might be like cracking a little bit already, but we'll just see how it lasts throughout the whole day. The claims for this, I'm just gonna pull it up. It does say that it's an all-day foundation. It's mattifying. It'll stay on all day. It's for oily, combination, and sensitive skin types. So I did, like how I did mention, I do have really dry skin. But I mean, it doesn't say anywhere on here that it's for dry skin, but it does say it's for normal or oily combination and sensitive skin types. So it might just be like, I don't know if it's not for dry skin or not, but I have dry skin, and we'll see how it works out. I do get really oily like around my forehead. That's about it. So we'll just see how it holds up. So this is the finished look. Yeah, then I feel like it looks really good. It does look really airbrushed. It does have a really nice, like, it looks really nice when it's all put together. I'm just gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in. And I will go ahead and check back with you guys. Right now, let's see what time it is. It's 12:28. And I would probably do the check-in probably around like 9 or 10 p.m. And we'll just see how well the foundation holds up. But so far, I really do like the foundation. I do feel like it has really good coverage. At the beginning, I felt like it was more like a medium coverage. But once I layered it up twice, it did really do a great job of doing full coverage. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so I'm back for the check-in and it is now 8:48. So I've had this foundation on since 12 p.m. and I feel like it's a pretty great foundation. I did have like concerns around like my nose area, and I'm assuming you guys in. I did feel like in the beginning like it was going to maybe kind of start cracking like off around like, but it didn't really. It lasted pretty well. I thought it was going to like start kind of cracking around my nose area. I did notice like around my fine lines that you can tell that the foundation is kind of like just building up there. But other than that, I feel like the foundation did like a really great job throughout the whole day. The blush that I put on, the contour, everything is still on. The highlight is still on. I don't look that oily around my forehead. I did get a little bit oily around here, but sometimes it depends like what I use. I will get oily around that area. So I mean, it looks pretty good. And the foundation goes for, I believe it's $14.99. You guys could order it on the Ulta website. It is available for you guys to order. Also, it'll be out in stores August 20th, I believe. So you guys can pick it up in store. And I do know that the Ulta website, they are offering buy one get one half off the NYX products. So if you guys want to pick that up, you can try out the foundation and the primer. The only reason I didn't pick up the primer was because my skin tends to get dry, and I didn't want to use like a mattifying primer plus a mattifying foundation. So that's the only reason why I didn't pick up the primer as well. But yeah, so I really do like the foundation. I know in the beginning I thought the color was going to be a little bit off and a little bit too dark for me, or a little bit too yellow tone for me, and it actually doesn't look bad at all. Like, it went nicely with my skin tone. So yeah, as far for the full coverage, I do believe that it's a full coverage foundation. It didn't really smear off. It like stayed really well, and I do touch my face a lot, so that's how I know like the foundation is really good when I still have some foundation, like when you can't really tell that I have spots missing. So yeah, I really like this foundation, and if you guys haven't tried it, I do recommend you guys to try it. I know it wasn't mentioned that it's for dry skin, but I do have dry skin and I really like it. I will be trying it out for a couple more days and to see how my skin just reacts to the foundation. But yeah, I really do like this foundation. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. Thank you.